The HITO organization today requested the Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Tikhan, to provide the KHADC memorandum and documents submitted by the CEM to the state government on the 15th of December 2021. Speaking to the media, the HITO leader said that the organization is also trying to get other documents from the KHADC relating to the recommendation of Regional Committee on Boundaries submitted to Government of Meghalaya, the latest 6th scheduled amendments proposed by the state government to the Ministry of Home Affairs and others.
Chief Executive Member KHADC kadai kapang sau santali dipan kapnengkong bangi request yo copy na KHADC memo document submit cikakat lengba chief CM chief minister jangka sarkar Meghalaya kasantari kapal buai kamar ni pan copy recommendation habadai kanika report committee boundary go submit na kanika council seka sarkar jila but copy jangka nika latest 6 schedule amendment kebasaw kebangipan clarification aga judicial and legal stand jangka KHADC aga bayadai takum ka bumi na honorable high court kanartrek panam araja bal direct ka sarkar Meghalaya ban te lakam ga trading license lene ga trade by non tribal ikinu ki companies lene ikinu ki bawan trade hangnya ki boy kenya ga ni ga ayman ko but kebahasan ni request naga this council ban recommend ya NCRWC keban ailat ban nominate sangut kisim kidaloi bat ki nokma kapung besti bangila dem aisu governor jang gejala dai trek dai arja we halor ka idea baka NCRWC halor kan ni beli ni wan pan ni kan copy ni kwa ban page la kan ni ka this council ka kentot ne em jaga close for jang ka instrument of taxation kabakren kumnie kipot kasi ha kejela ke federation ke kerpat bakadai ban yo baro ki jingira ka ka penteli lang ya baro khndo hari kasi baro kisnong kasi ki bakpa ban yesok biang bat ki hima ka ba ki don menshwa de ban sha kinwan ki wei pat ki hima kasi ha kejela lada ki thrang de ban sha yeki ban yesok federation kun record ka ba ha ka tin nong wei ka ong bega the Khasi territory in province, the federation requests that all possible help should be given to the facilitate unification of the Khasi territory. All Khasi village which desire to rejoin states of which they have formerly formed a part should be allowed to do so. Other Khasi territory in the province should, if they desire, be allowed to join the federation as unit. The tap ngidlayo ikanika report hadian penglaikan yang no kalian dulu keempat long kebakliat keempat syai balak kentuk na mekenya tengah tarai keempat kentuk buat ngindel ayo ni pat ya kani report ke kopi ngin sob butian bat ngindawa bet badeban kentuk bet ya kani ka close for kat information access